Hey guys, my name is Dyer and welcome back to my channel. In my last video, I showed you how to create a potent DIY hair growth oil using powerful, all-natural ingredients. Today I'm going to use that same powerful hair oil to create a nourishing pomade and hair butter that can help promote thicker, longer, and healthier hair. These blends work by boosting blood circulation to the scalp, stimulating hair follicles, and strengthening the hair from the roots. They also help fight dry scalp, they reduce breakage, and slow down premature hair graying. If you're ready to take your hair care routine to the next level, keep on watching.
1, 2, 3.
This is the oil from the last video. I've already placed my pot on low heat and I'm going to now add 2 spoons of first shea butter and then 2 spoons of mango butter as well as 2 spoons of coconut butter. As you can see, I'm also adding the same amount of emulsifying wax. After mixing everything together, I'm going to go ahead and add the oil from the last video into this mixture. After adding in the oil, go ahead and mix up the mixture one more time and make sure everything has completely melted. Then turn off the stove so it could cool down a little. Now that the mixture has cooled down a bit, I'm going to add some peppermint oil. You can also use any other essential oil of your choice. I will now grab a small jar to pour in some of the mixture into it to make the hair pomade. I am now going to put this into the freezer for around 10 to 20 minutes to make it become the pomade. Now, I will transfer the mixture into a bigger bowl, then take some tin foil to cover up the bowl. I'll leave this in the freezer for around 15 to 20 minutes. This is the pomade after taking it out of the freezer. It is very powerful and can help with hair issues such as alopecia, thinning hair, breakage, as well as damaged hair. I promise, if you use this consistently, you will get shocking results. This is how the hair butter looks after removing it from the freezer. I will now use my hand mixer to mix it until it turns into a fluffy consistency. This right here is not yet the consistency I want. So to ensure the best quality butter, I'm going to continue mixing it with my hand mixer. I'm going to check it again, and it is still not quite yet the consistency I want. Before I mix it, I'm just going to go ahead and add in a little bit of some aloe vera gel to make this butter stronger and more powerful. Once your butter looks like this, it is now all done. As you can see, the butter has a creamy and smooth consistency. This butter will definitely help your hair, and you will be shocked at how much more manageable and thicker your hair becomes once you use it. Here I have another jar that I will use to store my hair butter. You can use any container of your choice. To store this hair butter, keep it in a cool, dry, dark place. If you notice that this becomes softer than usual or it sort of melts, you can put it in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes, then take it out again. This is also the hair pomade. I didn't let it fully set because I wanted to use it right away. You can choose to leave it how mine looks or allow it to firm up to the consistency you prefer. So guys, this powerful hair butter and pomade are now finished and ready to use or to store. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to share with your family and friends. Let me know in the comments down below if you tried this amazing combo out and how your experience was, and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!